Hey everybody, so this is just a quick video to help you with your Whirlpool dryer. And if you're getting error F3E2, so error F3E2 is a moisture sensor error. So it means that you have done 5 consecutive loads that have been dried without registering any moisture sensor data. So if you press the power button, you can clear out this error code and just go on with your drying. If this problem persists, it could be a couple things. One is if your dryer is not level, it may be somehow preventing your clothes from touching the moisture sensor. Same thing is if you're persistently doing very small loads, those very small loads might not be coming in contact with the moisture sensors. Or it might be some kind of electrical issue that you might be able to just reset and sort out by doing a power cycle. So this is very simply turning off the unit completely, or even unplugging it, leaving it off for an entire minute. So you're going to need to either unplug it, turn the breaker off to it, whatever. Leave it off for a minute, and then plug it back in or turn the circuit breaker back on. Try to do a cycle and see if that fixes the problem. So hopefully that'll fix the problem. And if you did, I would appreciate it if you could leave a like, and have a great day.